April 29th, 2022 is a day that should inspire every fighting Scot to want to be the difference. We have gathered today not only to celebrate, but forever memorialize the life, the accomplishments, the legacy of Champion Miller, a man that defied odds most never will truly be able to understand.
This place reminds me of that I am not alone. I have found motivation and a reason to work hard. For this reason, it is an honor to witness a change today, especially because it would attract others from this community, and hopefully they could find a home here too.
"165 years ago, Champion Miller, his brother Richard Murphy, James Moffett, along with our college's founding president, D.A. Wallace, created communities that clearly followed these criteria. They were brave enough to not only go against the status quo of the time, but built intertwined communities that would forever change the landscape of Monmouth College and Warren County. Today, we dedicate that space for not only our current students, but for the students past, the students present, and for all of our students to come. Today, on this incredible day, I call each and every one of us to commit to being the change.